Here is how we can do a motion shot on the iPhone using shutter speed. Now, let me explain how it all works on the iPhone. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, the iPhone camera, like the hardware and the lens, is good, right? Especially on the newer and like pro models, but the actual camera app is not that advanced. Like in here, you can switch to the video mode, but you don't have any control over the shutter speed or, the other things which you might need. For that, it's ideal to get a third-party camera app from the App Store. There are two options which I would personally go with. Either there is the Final Cut camera, which is technically from Apple, so it's not even a third-party app to begin with, but you can get inside of this camera app, and as you can tell, it's giving you much more options in terms of the controls of your video, right? So you can see that when I tap on it, like the editing tools, I have the ability to manage the different things like the focus. You can see the exposure and all of those other things which you might have in mind, right? So you can see that there are more things which you can do in here. However, you can still see that some options are still lacking. Depends on your phone, of course, because the hardware is also important. But to specifically manage the shutter speed for your clips, it's best to use the Blackmagic camera. This is the one which I can recommend you. When you get inside, you can see so many things which you can control, and there is also the shutter speed control. So when you change it to something else, then of course it's gonna look different, even though it's not like a professional like DSLR camera that you would really see like a huge difference, but it is probably the thing that you wanted to customize. So this is the shutter speed icon which you can use and like the controls within this camera. So let me know if you found what you needed. Let me know in the comments below if I can help you out with anything further. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials as well.